Hello, Achlan, cechu bhfuil fad tásúla am ghfuil bit duine go má agus fáilte isteach go thank folk it's Thursday. Yes. Tásúla am ghfuil gachtain am sin flyal. I hope you're all flying it. Just being myself here for the next little while. The lads might be in a while. They're actually doing me a massive favour, so we mightn't actually see them. What they're doing is they are practicing music for my wedding, for my banish singing and focal gaelge our wedding, which is on in 2 weeks' time. Yeah, so finally I'm actually getting married. It's been a while, it's been waiting around for a while, alright, but we're getting there eventually, and the lads are flat to the mat, getting stuff ready for the ceremony and that kind of thing. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait. I'm going to start things off with a song. Why not? While we're here, and because I'm feeling pretty happy and things are going pretty well, gonna start off with a nice happy one. Well, I used to think that maybe you love me, baby, I'm sure. Well, and I just can't wait till the day when you knock at my door. Now every time I go for the mailbox, gotta hold myself down, slow right down, 'cause I just can't wait till you write me you're coming around. Now I'm walking in sunshine, whoa, I'm walking in sunshine, whoa, I'm walking in sunshine, whoa. Don't it feel good? Yeah, all right now. Don't it feel good? I used to think maybe you love me, now I know that it's true. And I just don't want to spend my whole life waiting for you. Now I don't want you back for the weekend, not back for a day. Well, no. I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. All right now, I'm walking in sunshine, whoa, I'm walking in sunshine, whoa, I'm walking in sunshine, whoa. But don't it feel good? Yeah, all right now. Don't it feel good? Yeah, all right now. I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. Feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. Feel alive, I feel alive, oh, I'm walking in sunshine. Oh, I'm walking in sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking in sunshine. Whoa, but don't it feel good? Yeah, all right now. Don't it feel good? Yeah, all right now. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? But I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel the love that's really real. I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. Feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. Walking in sunshine. Whoa. It is getting hot in here already. May have to open the door. So tell me, where are you all listening in from? Because I always find that to be fascinating. I want to see all those beautiful places coming up. I have a question here. Rebecca, Cain dot is far le Lisa. Se an dá is fear lethe, Rebecca, ná glas. Glas an dá is fear lethe. Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, sorry, we forgot to. I forgot to put up a little kind of pictures talking about it. So kind of flat out these last few days with getting everything ready, and I completely forgot about the image. Didn't forget about Thank Folk, obviously, but I did forget about the image. So apologies for that, Keith. Keith Derek Holmes there. Yeah, it's good. That's a good song. Yeah, it is. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much. I enjoy it. All right. Hi, folks in deep south of France. Looking good start to the weekend. Long live the 4-day week. Inta Kharfa, James. You're hardly working a 4-day week, are you? Because they're talking about it and I like the sounds of it a lot. So if you have it in France, do bring it on over here. I'd be very, very happy to have that. But I'll play another song, and then we can do a bit of chat as well. So a few different songs we could do here. If there are any requests, do fire them in. Might do one for the Aussie gang out there. Haven't done this one in a while, I don't think. But it's a fun one. It requires a bit of my very very poor attempt at a mouth saxophone or trumpet or whatever. When we don't have Dahi flying around with his beautiful sax, we have to make do. And there are people who can do it much, much better than me, but I have to do something. See if we can get it going. It's a song by In Excess. Don't ask me what you know is true. Don't have to tell you that I love your precious heart. And I was standing, you were there, two worlds collided, and they would never, ever tear us apart. You can live for 1,000 years, and if I hurt you, I'd make wine from your tears. I told you and that we could fly, 'cause we all have a wing. But some of us don't know why. I was standing, you were there, two worlds collided, and they would never tear us apart. I was standing, you were there, two worlds collided, and they would never tear us apart. And I was standing, you were there, two worlds collided, and they could never, ever tear us apart. Yes, that is a little bit of In Excess. I'm actually going to change out of these headphones. Give me 2 seconds because I think they are starting to roast me a little bit. I've got these little small ones here that won't be as bad. It's like wearing a hat. It is like, there we go. It's a bit better, I think. Put in my regular request for Bon and Gloss if you're not tired of playing it. I'm not tired of playing with Kay. I will stick that one in. Are there any other requests there? Let's have a look and see what we got. I will certainly hear the tabs singing behind this song. Yeah, yes, Hillary. That is that's one of my favorite times. It is my favorite place to perform that song. Is in the tab for sure. Absolutely. It's the reason we went over there. Harsh, what's the difference between a Kurboshti and a Kurfarina? Is there a difference? No, there's no difference. Farin is one word for rain, and Boshtach is another word for rain. So I'd say Kurboshti is probably more common, but Kurfarina is perfect version, and there's no difference really. Started Irish at the age of 71. Dave Gleason, that's great going. How are you going with it? Have you ever tried the Greed Song of Difference from Bob Geldof? I haven't, Sigrid. Must have a look at that one. Mads and Wa o Auckland. Hello, Anya. Cechil too. Mads and Wa. Cechil Auckland. Tasulam Gulcha Bazena Gamahal. Hope it's all lovely over there. It's you're going into your winter now, I suppose, or you're in the middle of your winter maybe. But yeah. So I've my mum's in there with a Spancel Hill. I'll do Bonaglass and then I'll do Spancel Hill. So if there's any more requests coming in there, fly them out, and we'll get cracking on the next one or two. So Bonaglass is obviously one of our own songs. So it's Bonaglass nu as Asperla Buy Me Time. Just a little chinky winky tune. A little bit of reverb for the lads.
Tíverste as na vanna Coerns man am Turkey gun speak Because the one bugger I Muffing English and rinne churvai Ach hermutli Shawan again Scalam free secret dille lemolin Hier gan choch As solasan Dan redden weer van Up on a glass, leg 'em down. Brewery, let's continue short. A girl need to love, I'm going smooth. Now the brewery, let's continue short. Oh, I'm there in Verlach. Mohim getrain. Kassend heel, maar vreven toelje. Wil fatsie, schriven lees. Niet mee om gadi. Niet in mijn lane. Oh, pretty back, jazzy phones go wet to crane. Up on the glass, leg 'em down. Brewery, let's from tinny shores. The girl need to love, I'm going smooth. Now the brewery, let's from tinny shores. Oh. It's here our room, the straw is kind. Yeta skacha gunner alliance bunko on just wheel on arm. The bouwen side. Achter steen shall gemeen aan de hoed wien. Bang die me glas. Ne shadi. Pastor should jingle my gun tiller to krachty egg queen along. Mrs. Squealer Eve. Ach een question you'll share and smart every share. No een question you'll share and smart every share. No een question you'll share and smart every share. Legum dol Brewery leis an tinne seois I gcónaí tilla Going smooth Ná le brewery leis an tinne seois An banna glas Legum dol Brewery leis an tinne seois I gcónaí tilla Going smooth Ná le brewery leis an tinne seois Now the brewery, let's on tennis shorts. So yes, Sinead, Banaglas, Nu Asperla, Buy Me Time. It's funny when you play a song like that, like you know we have a lot of most all of our songs pretty much. We have like a Lagan Gaelga agus Lagan Bearless. We've got the two versions, and sometimes you know you'd be singing it more often maybe in English or more often in Irish, and you start to kind of forget the other version. So like if someone here requested, oh go on play Buy Me Time there in English, I've played it so often in Irish now at this stage, you know, on this live stream that I'd start to get the words a bit muddled. So I have to kind of make sure I keep up to date with both versions, both language versions. I can get caught, but my mum requested Spancel Hill there, so I'll indulge that one as well. If any know Spancel Hill, the song, I'm sure many of you do. It's Shift, you know the West Awake. I do know the West Awake from Kelly there. I can do that one after Spancel Hill if you'd like. I can do that for sure. I'll have a look now and see through the comments here. Train, a drive by or drops of Jupiter. George Ezra again. Or Okay by Robin Schulz and James. I don't know that song. Train, I might be able to whack Train a go. This is not a drive by. Da 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 da. I could give that one maybe a go. I'll see if I can get her here now. 1 second. If I were to now, it would certainly be a dodgy enough version. Right. Let's see what I can do with it. On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. But I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, 'cause I'll give it a go, alright? Oh, I swear to you. Okay, this is for Emily Strange. Apologies now, I don't really know it, so I'll have to... On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, 'cause you moved to West LA, New York or Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you, 'cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, 'cause I really fell for you. But oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a two-ply, empty bag to hold my love. When you move me, everything is groovy. They don't like it, sue me with the way you do me. And oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. I think I'm actually a good bit down from the key. I'll give this one. All right, right up there. On the other side of a downward spiral, my love for you went viral. I loved every mile you drove away. Now here you go again, so let's skip the how you've been and get down to more than friends at last. Oh, but that one night is still the highlight. I didn't leave you until I came to, and I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, because I really fell for you. And oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a two-ply, empty bag to hold my love. When you move me and everything is groovy, they don't like it, sue me well the way you do me. No, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Oh, I don't really know what to say. Please believe when I leave, there's nothing up my sleeve. I'm just making up the melody here. But a love for you and a little time to get my head together too. Oh, baby. On the other side of a street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. But I guess that's deja vu, and I thought this can't be true, you know. On the other side of a street I knew stood a girl that looked like you, and I guess that's deja vu, and I thought this can't be true, 'cause oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a two-ply and a hefty bag to hold my love. When you move me and everything is groovy, they don't like it, sue me all the way you do me. No, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Right. I can safely say I have not, I think about maybe 11 years ago, maybe, yeah, maybe more, might have, that song might have done the rounds in Lurgan. I think we translated it, but never actually played it or anything like that. Did the translation, or I can't, don't ask me what the translation was now. It was a very long time ago, but yeah, didn't. It's a bit of crack though. I've heard, you hear that song a lot on the radio, so once I have the lyrics and the chorus there, I was kind of able to put something together. But yeah, so that was for you, Emily. Try whack down to the bottom here. So the West Awake, so it was Spancel Hill and the West Awake, and I'll come back then to take some more requests. So I haven't done the West Awake in a long time actually, so thanks to Kelly for suggesting that. I see you're making some fine improvement on the banjo as well, Kelly. Fair play. Give us a little quick tune before we go.
do keep firing out quests now. I won't be able to get through them all for sure because there's a lot of comments coming in. But I will. I'll try to get through as many as I can. And if I kind of half know it as well, I might give it a half-arsed attempt, like that train one there. So try me on a few as well. So let's see how we go. But if you would like to support us, support the band, and for tip, I suppose, for this session, you can do so with who's www. Nobody says that anymore. Just paypal.me/Shullin. That's our tip jar. I have it posted in the comments there, and I can kind of stick it up on the screen here too. So it's pretty simple over here. Yeah, just there. Paypal.me/Shullin. And then you can use your PayPal account, or if you don't have an account as well, it works. No bother either. So I'll give Spancil Hill a crack now. And this is for my mum. Last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, my mind being bent on rambling, to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision, and I followed with the wind, till I came to anchor at the cross on Spancil Hill. It's been on the 23rd of June, the day before the fair, when Ireland's sons and daughters and friends assemble there. The young, the old, the brave and the bold came their duty to fulfill at the parish church in Clooney, a mile from Spancil Hill. I went to see my neighbors, to see what they might say. The old ones were all dead and gone, the young ones turning grey. I met the tailor Quigley, he's as bold as ever still, and he used to make my breeches when I lived at Spancil Hill. I dreamt I knelt and kissed her, just as in the days of yore. She said, "Johnny, you're only joking, as many the times before." The cock crew in the morning, and he crew both loud and shrill, and I awoke in California, many miles from Spancil Hill.
and black is the color of my true love's hair. And her lips were like some roses fair. She's the sweetest smile and the gentlest hand. And I love the ground whereon she stands. I go to the Clyde where I mourn and weep, and for satisfied I could never be, I write her a letter, just a few short lines, and suffer death 1,000 times. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Well, her lips are like some roses fair. She's the sweetest smile and the gentlest hand. And I love the ground whereon she stands. I love my love, and so she knows. And I love the ground whereon she goes, and I wish the day that it soon would come when she and I would be as one. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips were like some roses fair. She's the sweetest smile and the gentlest hand. And I love the ground whereon she stands. Yes, I love the ground whereon she stands. Yes, I love the ground whereon she stands.
So that was Spancel Hill first, and then a bit of Black is the Colour. So that was the first one. Spancel Hill was the one for my mum, who requested it. And then I just saw, as I was just finishing up, I saw the comments there. Somebody requested Black is the Colour, and I thought that, oh, maybe I could just go straight into it. And the key was okay, so I just went for it. And yeah, it was a nice key. And usually you do ride on with it as well, actually.
True, you ride the finest horse. True, you ride the finest horse I've ever seen. Standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. You ride the horse so well, hands light to the touch. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. When you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut one last time. You turn to face an empty space where we used to hide. Look for the light that lights the night through the teardrops in my eyes. Right on. See you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Right on. See you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Right on. See you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Right on. See you. And I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. So that was right on there. So I got the few in there. Sort of like small little take on all of them. So it's Spancel Hill. Let's get up to the top of the yellow. Oh, get rid of that there. PayPal thing, sorry. But yeah, if you do want to support, you can. You can go paypal.me/Shullin. An Englishman in New York. Sherry, I swear to God, I've never ever tried that one. But I could. I might be able to. Maybe not now. In fairness, the Police, whenever they write songs, they tend to be a bit complicated. Key B minor. Let's have a look now and see. I'll give it a go, okay? I don't drink coffee, I drink tea, my dear. I like my toast on one side. Great song, great song. I'll try it here. Let me see. Don't drink tea, my dear. I like my toast on one side. Right. I don't drink coffee, I drink tea, my dear. I like my toast on one side. And you can hear it in my accent when I talk, that I'm an Englishman in New York. To see me walking down Fifth Avenue, a walking cane here by my side. I take it everywhere I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, well, I'm an alien, and I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. If manners maketh man, as someone said, then he is hero of the day. It takes a man to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, well I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Modesty, propriety, can lead to... Oh, I don't know. I don't know this bit. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Yes, I'm an Englishman in New York. Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Alright. A pitiful attempt, I apologize. But a good song though, a good song. I can't remember the bridge or how it goes, or I know there's a few times when he flies it off a bit. But I won't know. I won't know. But there's talk there now of the camera, is there? Whoa, I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien, I'm an Englishman in New York. Right, I need to figure this out. Englishman in New York. Elvis, okay. Elvis has got to be one that I can probably whack out at some point. The resolution is great for being a phone. Oh yeah, that's just, yeah. I'm using the camera from my phone to do all this, yeah. Well, I'm putting it through my laptop. So it's coming out that way. But yeah, I mean, the phone cameras are pretty good, you know. Phone cameras are very good, actually. Style Chew and Lay, there's a request in. We like the half-arsed attempts too. The river or standing outside the fire. I'll do Style Chew and Lay quickly before I forget. And then I might be able to do the river or standing outside the fire. I'm assuming you're talking about the Garth Brooks River, is it? Or are you talking about the Bruce Springsteen River? So I could do potentially either or. What was that? Style Chew. Style Chew, yeah. Talking about the lads there. The lads, they might make it in tonight. They're doing me a massive favour, so they are. As I was saying earlier, I'm getting married in 2 weeks' time, would you believe? I was supposed to get married last year, but didn't happen because of the current situation we find ourselves in. But it is going ahead in 2 weeks. Hail, wind or snow. And looking forward to it now. And the lads are working on a few bits and bobs for the ceremony, which I'm very, very excited about. So they are hard at it, doing me a favour. So I'm holding the fort tonight. But if they finish early, they might pop in. You never know. Alright, this is Style Chew and Lay. Thank you to... Who requested that? Julie Bourgeois. Is that right? Bourgeois? No, it's not Bourgeois. Bourgeois? I'm not sure. Julie, if you can maybe put a phonetic way of saying that. But I'll give this one a go. It's just Style Chew. And I come free shitty Ag múscail stal vis geall an tala seo ag brethir mo chrí. Is danam mar laur an láth Tá bhéid daim in chuile fró ó múlis is cínte má chós. Is so níche ag an sail sin lé Bhí me go tuiseach chuné An is is sóil de me bhealach Ach tá stíon tú Ní me go látar le mé Ní cuinneó cais ó siar mé Is lomsam ó hír Rai ag trasnú tan An chrí leis an winneog ag tochailt ar má hín chuig cadú is lom Is ná taring siar mé I tálam Sin am am casid íst Ar a móthar támarún Is so níche ag an sail sin lé Ní me an dátar le mé An is is sóil de me bhealach Ach tá stíon tú Ní me an látar le mé Ní cuinneó cais ó siar mé Is lomsam ó híl Ní cuinneó cais ó siar mé Is lomsam ó híl Is lomsam ó híl
Ish. That was Sail Shun Lei. This thing. My glasses keep falling off me as well. Which is a bit annoying, but you're lucky to put up with. You have to put up with these things in life. You gotta get over them. They make you stronger. So, standing outside the fire. I wonder if I do that one. Let's have a look and see. Children here. So again, if you want to tip for tonight and support us, sitting outside the fire. So if you want to tip for tonight and support us and what we do and keep us in the studio, which we're currently in at the moment, in a few different places. And it's going exceptionally well, and we're very, very, very happy. And thank you so much for all of your support that's enabled us to do that. We can't stress that enough, really. But if you want to keep that going, if you want to help it out and keep us afloat, as they say, you can do so by going on to paypal.me. I'll put it up here. Tip jar. paypal.me/Shaw-Lynn. And whether you have a PayPal account or not, that will help. And you could, we say like the price of a pint or the price of a cup of coffee or something like that, or whatever tickles your fancy. Like there's no pressure, as we say each week. There's absolutely no pressure. But if you would like to, we'd very much appreciate it. So thank you very much for that. So standing outside the fire was one that was requested there. I'll see what I can do with it. I might have to do the other guitar. Might be a bit better. Da, da, da. Hearts that have no scars. Right, I might have to do a little bit of a move down to the lyrics and stuff here, but we'll see how we go. Call them cool, those hearts that have no scars to show. The ones that never do let go, and risk the tables being turned. Call them fools who had to dance within the flames, who chance the sorrow and the shame that always comes with getting burned. They're so, but you've got to be tough when consumed by desire, 'cause it's not enough just to stand outside the fire. We call them strong, who can face this world alone, who seem to get by on their own, those who will never take the fall. We call them weak, who are unable to resist the slightest chance that might exist, and for that forsake it all. They're so hell-bent on giving, walking a wire, convinced it's not living lest you stand outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire, standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely surviving. You're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely surviving. You're standing outside the fire. There's this love that is burning deep in my soul, constantly yearning to get out of control, wanting to fly higher and higher, and I can't abide standing outside the fire. I don't know what to do with this bit. Hey, no, Tika, standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely surviving. You're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely surviving. You're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. We're standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely surviving. You're standing outside
the fire.
So that's it's Garth Brooks standing outside the fire. Ah, thanks for requesting. That was a bit of fun to play, actually. Reading the chords and the thing as we go, but anyway, yeah, it was good. Black is the color. I've done that one. Oh, maybe I'm just a bit further back. I am actually. I'm fairly back in the comments here. Let's see now. Sounded second in the request from Jacobite. Very cool, actually. Right, so I suppose a little bit of history. Sure, why not? While we're here, last Tuesday was the 12th of July, which in the north of Ireland is celebrated by members of the Orange community as being the date of the victory of King William over King James, the Battle of the Boyne in County Meath. And the way they celebrate that is by putting on Orange Order marches and burning bonfires and that kind of thing, which is fine, except with some of the bonfires they tend to go a little bit OTT and they start burning things they shouldn't be burning, which is not fine. But save that for another story. But in essence, they just celebrate the victory of King William, which was something that was a bad thing for people in Ireland, for the common person in Ireland, the Catholic person in Ireland, I suppose. It heralded the penal laws, where Catholics didn't have the same rights as Protestants and all that kind of stuff, which wasn't great. But so when people talk about the Jacobites, what they talk about is people who follow King James, Jacob being the biblical version of James, maybe the Latin version, and the Jacobite then is somebody who follows him. So there are many songs from that region, from that time, and one of them is Oro Shidvahawale, which is about King James was in exile at the time. He was usurped from the throne by King William, who was his son-in-law. He got married to his daughter Mary. So King James, who was the king, Catholic king, he had a daughter named Mary who was a Protestant, became Protestant, and the Protestant lords of England decided the Catholic king wasn't good enough. So they got onto Mary and were like, Mary, how about we marry you to somebody from Europe, probably a relation of yours. I don't think it was in this case. Maybe they were, but and then you could become queen. And she was like, yeah, cool, happy days. And so they went to the Netherlands and they found King William. And the Netherlands, one of the colours of the Netherlands is orange, and that's where the orange comes from. So the orange in our flag is actually orange from the Netherlands. So they found William of Orange, and William and Mary were married, and William came across to England and usurped the throne. And then King James went back to France in exile, and he started to garner forces as France was Catholic and Spain were Catholic, so they came to try and help. And you see that then in the second verse, it goes, Goelit Hainis ni Frank no Spawny. Goes, Goelit Hainis ni Frank no Spawny, Scorishid Ruiger Olive. So you'll hear it. Goelit Hainis ni Frank no Spawny, which means they're Irish, they're not French nor Spanish. So that's what they were talking about there. French and Spanish come over to help. But to no avail, culminated in the Battle of the Boyne in 1066, I think. No, what am I saying? That's Battle of the Boyne. 1690. What am I talking about? Way off. 1690. When that happened, that was defeated. And yeah, so I'll sing O Rosh Dahwala now. That's the kind of the side of that. But there's a few funny requests in there. I'll sing O Rosh Dahwala and I'll come back to that then. Might do it a cappella, sure, look. Oh no, Shedova, Huale, oh no, Shedova, Huale, oh no, Shedova, Huale, and the Sherachton Tauri. Sheen van Balen were
Beard krecht over in geven de joegie vrouw zelf merlig stil te lesne gale o shedava o alle o shedava o alle o shedava o alle Anish hacht an taure Ta granu ele tacht har sole Ogli armole mar gorde Gweli denis ni Frank na Spani Is could she drwy gergole Oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle Anish hacht an taure A wheelerine vart go vecchum Muramin bjoini ak schachten Kronju el samile gashkil Heg bogerts van der gale Oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle Hanisher hachton taure oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle oro shedova o alle Anish hacht an taure
So that is Orosh Dahawala, a Jacobite song from the time, which was a little bit topical at the moment, I suppose, maybe. But yeah, so my cousin got married last year. What the hell, more power to you, and it's all split in 2020 generation, yeah. Estoy de acuerdo, Michael Rojas, estoy de acuerdo. Gracias. Yeah, so yeah, acapella. Okay, Kelly, I think I got that in there. I didn't actually see your comment with an acapella, but I got that in there. Music from Italy. I know it's not related, but anything to use it and stuff. Use that check. Oh yes, of course. Fair play, Camilla. Doing what you believe in. We got Rise there. Kisses from Argentina. Hola, Andy. ¿Cómo estás? Okay. Can you feel the love tonight? Rise requested it in there from Michael Rojas and Bettina Tofal. I'll do that one, so I will. And then Oram Sabe Sayalik. Nana writes Oran Sambe Sayalik. I do. Might get the lyrics just to be 100% sure. But should we go? I'll give it a go. This is for Castle Bay. And then writes Oran Sambe Sayalik. So this song is in Scots Gaelic. I might mess up some of the pronunciation. We usually do this in Irish, but the original is in Scots Gaelic. So I'll give it a go. Horste gawa, farmi horste gawa, farmi horste gawa, listen Holavira Darson Towel. Grahashe Shuri, Sharon the Man, the Mahanya, and the Mahan, the Bahanya, and the Mahan, the Mahan, the Mahan, the Fenamada, Chalan the Mahan, the Bahanya, and the Mahan, the Bahanya, and the Mahan, the Mahan, the Mahan, the Fenamada. Verin father for me, verin father and follow me. Mohin and Began the Mother. Vermagras and Yarin. Number and the Durion, Fallen the Mahan, the Mahanya, and the Mahan, the Mahanya, and the Mahan, the Mahanya, Fenamada, Chalan the Mahan, the Bahanya, and the Bahan, the Bahanya, and the Bahan, the Bahan, the Bahan, the Fenamada.
Adorst dad na sha, adorst dad na sha, adorst dad na sha, vermens crash at a tarin. Namara na dahi hon chalan naman yalan na bahan yalan na bahan vi panamala chalan na bahan yalan na bahan yalan na bahan vi panamala. Hush to go, follow me hush to go, follow me hush to go, listen the Holavera does a towel. Ngrahasha Huri, chalan na bahan yalan na bahan yalan na bahan vi panamala chalan na bahan yalan na bahan yalan na bahan vi panamala. Veren father fallen you'll need bug in the matter verin it's grass and tarn. Namaran the Rigon chalan the bahan yalan the bahan yalan the bahan vi panamala chalan the bahan yalan the bahan yalan the bahan vi panamala. Adorst the daden and sha, adorst the daden and sha, adorst the daden and sha, verin it's grass and tarn. Namaran the Rigon chalan the bahan yalan the bahan yalan the bahan vi panamala chalan the bahan yalan the bahan yalan the bahan vi panamala. Vermens grass at a tarin.
So, Castle Bay, Hamasul, Garoshishin Karkalor, Washishin Magalor, Nilisam. Then was like in Gailge, Gailge in the Hayden, I guess Martian, Nima Dahi in the Fuckerson, right? Shachas and Corfas, though. Need more on the different Corfa, Gaelic, nun Corfa, Gailge. They start today. I got this. And buy in the Shullen shop with it. You can, Bettina. Yes, you can use PayPal for the Shullen shop 100%. So shullen.com/shoppa. I'll stick up a little caption here for that. The merch store you can buy from there. Shullen.com/shoppa. Month of the year. Gormila mila mahat. That's very much appreciated. But if you want to just tip, for anyone who's come in just there, you can do so with paypal.me/Shullen if you feel like tipping for tonight. Or as was asked there, the merch store is another great way to support us. So Gurumila Mahagay, thank you very, very much for that. Joe Fair, series kick jam action tonight. Yes! I get on, pal. Request waving flag by Canaan. Right. That is an oldie but a goodie. Let me see. All right, we'll give her a crack. I need to get the lyrics though. Waving flag. Right. Ta. Oh, let's get some kick drum action going for Joe Fair. Whoa, 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 whoa. When I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving. When I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. And then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. Hear the champions in the field now, unify us,
make us feel proud. All the streets are hands are listening as we lose all inhibitions. Every people all around us, people saying, put that on them, singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice for the beautiful day. So remember at the end of the day, we all say when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a wave. And when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Wave your flag, wave your flag, so wave your flag, wave your flag, so wave your flag, wave your flag, wave. Oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Many years ago, we did this one in Lurgan, actually. So I think I might be able to remember the lyrics. Turn back.
Turn back, turn sirsche. Dana neeracht, goni sirze. Dana dana da da da. Oh, the jansu spiech en broda. On the tige, rik na strate. Tam moet diri, nieuw moet kante. Enke luro, len naar dango. Moest die gile, tam moet saste. Kan ik alleen maar hoor. Kan ik alleen maar hoor. She the here is the hangover. She the rawa, ik zet only. Stem which moje on tauchi, kachuina agui, kwelge konakwa, tashi rollers moje on tauchi, kachuina agui, kwelge konagla, tashi rollers sat, so aberlat, so aberlat, so aberlat, so aberlat, it's aberlat, so aberlat, aberlat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right. So that was Waving Flag by Canaan, or the Coca-Cola version of it, or whatever. Agus rinne mu a leggings here go Lurgan. Blianta fadochin. Shears na blianta. Aberlat and Tanam of Eric Jansson. So they're requesting for Rise. I've requested there saying if you know the Craig and White Hair. I wouldn't really know it. That one. I might maybe be able to wing it. Could be one of those, but it's one of those I don't know, should I? Sure, look.
The lowlands of Cragan there lived a wild hare, as swift as the swallow that flies through the air.
I don't know that one well enough, really. Tick, 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 tick. I don't think.
In the lowlands of Cragan there lives a wild hare, swift as the swallow that flies through the air. You may tramp the world over, but none to compare to the pride of all Cragan, the bonny white hare. One clear autumn morning soon we'll suppose, oh, the red golden sun nor the green mountain rose. And Barney Conway came down and he did declare, and this day I'll put an end to the bonny white hare. And in search through the lowlands and down through the glens, all around the wild ditches the white hare had ends. Till at last coming home down,
Sorry.
till at last coming home, me down, oh, the head so fair. From behind the old thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang, bang went his gun and his dogs it slipped to as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But his dogs soon came back, and it made Barney sigh, for he knew the white hare had bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen here down from Pomeroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon, and from Cookstown, Dungannon, and likewise the Moy. With our pedigree greyhounds, we've travelled from far, and we've come down to Corrigan in our fine motor car. Well, into the lowlands these huntsmen did go, in search of the white hare they looked high and low, till at last Barney Conway from a bog bank so rare shouted out to the huntsman, here lies the white hare. So they call up their greyhounds, and from off the greens Lee and Barney and the huntsman all jumped high with glee. It was there on the bog bank all gathered around, 7 dogs and 9 men did that poor hare surround. Oh, no wonder the white hare did tremble with fear, as she stood on her hind legs she would soon raise her ears. She stood on her hind legs with one gallant spring, she jumped over the greyhounds and broke through the ring. Well, that chase went on, 'twas a beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they didn't run far. Those come back and went home in their fine motor car. And there came another man, and you all know him well. His name was Mick Kelly, the bonny black Nell. Oh, in search of the white hare, today I'll have fun, but I'll bet 50 to 1 my black Nell does her turn. The 5 turns the hare got then from bonny black Nell, and the 6th one was given around John Hawley's well. It was there we lost sight of the hare and the dog. Well, then 10 minutes later they came o'er the bog. Well, that chase it went on, it was great for to see. The white hare and the black dog both roamed light and free, till she travelled to Esker, where she knew the lands well, and to bonny black Nell there was soon bid farewell. And now to conclude and to finish this rhyme, I hope you'll forgive me for singing all the while. And if there's any amongst you in Carrickmore fair, please drink up a health to the bonny white hare. Oh, please drink up a health to that bonny white hare.
I don't know. I don't even know should I have done that. Great song that, now, to be fair to it. But I don't really know it that well. So I was just kind of reading and singing. I like the story, though. I do really like the story. The Battle of the Boyne, The Dark Days. The Skyboat song. Oh, I don't know that one at all. And I couldn't even attempt this, Liam, I'm afraid. Foo Fighters. I don't know. Could I do that? Um, okay, let's see what I can do, if I can now. But again, this is another dodge. It's a very half-arsed kind of taking requests, seeing what happens. I've got another confession to make. I'm your fool. Everyone's got the chains to break, holding you. Well, you born to resist, or be abused. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Now you gone and on to someone new. I needed somewhere to hang my head without your news. You gave me something that I didn't have, but had no use. Was I too weak to give in, too strong to lose? My heart is under arrest again, but I break, I lose. My head has given me life or death that I can't choose. I swear I'll never give in, but why refuse? Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone taking your faith? It's real, the pain you feel, you trust, you must confess. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Someone taking your faith. It's real, the pain you feel, the life, the love you die to heal, the hope that starts, the broken hearts you trust, you must confess. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you. I've got another confession, my friend. I'm no fool. I'm getting tired of starting again somewhere new, where you born to resist, to be abused. I swear I'll never give in, I refuse. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Is someone taking your faith? It's real, the pain you feel, the trust you must confess, confess. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Oh. are you? Small bit of sweaty Foo Fighters there. Oh Lord, who's the requested that? Castle Bay, Kermad. Thank you, but I like that. I love that song. Don't get me wrong. I don't play it very often. It's a good one. So Jacobite is right from Latin Jacobus. Like on that. Let's see now. Oh Lord. Let's see now where we are. I have to catch up on all these. This song was my introduction to Charlene. I'm not sure which one it was I was singing at the time. God, I'm so far behind all these comments. Yeah, Rise. I said I'd do Rise as well. And Trastan Adonta, Rise and Trastan. Okay, Rise is coming next for sure. I'm just trying to catch up on all these comments. There's actually so many. I'm back at 22:15 now. North of Germany. Hello, how are you doing? Aaron Lahid. I don't know that one. I'm afraid. I'm sorry. I look it up. Aaron the Lower or Aaron the Lahid? I'll have a look for it and see. Rabbits. She burns the hell. Okay, she burns you dead. Linkin Park. I don't know would I be able to do that now, I'm afraid. There's Keith, oh. Well, Keith, kechol tú akban. Tú tíocht staach will churbe. No tú fós klachte. After catching up, I think now I'm nearly up to it. Walking after you. Right. What they say? Rise. Rise is coming. I've been doing Rise for a long time now. Brenne timppel agus tógan ná Bor de chorne ag go máins ar an apple Nis sig díú an scam an geol Se fógur tani in a silent shoe an ground Oh, the light on the lamp Oh, it's my deep blast you made Oh, scam out a sheet Oh, for we will rise Sunny, and we will fly. Lost it all in, we will rise. Sunny, and we will fly. Lost it all in. Take a breath and have a look around. What we build is an image of our life. Let us be and so do we proud. Another stone or something stand up and reach the light. Oh, the lights on the limb. Oh, it's way to flash it on it. Oh, just go out of shit. Oh, it's good night, oh, live. Sunny, it's good night, oh, mods. Lost it all, it's good night, oh, live. Sunny, it's good night, oh, mods. Lost it all, live.
night, rolling. It's good night, rolling. It's good night, rolling. It's good night, almost. And we will rise, we will fly. We will rise, we will fly. So listening, we will fly. Lost it all in, we will rise. So listening, we will fly. Lost it all in. Take a breath and have a look around. Or the chonek and ones are
Bit of rise. Thank you very much for the question. It's good fun. It's a good fun, and I like to do a lot. Let's have a look and see this. I'll talk a little talk of aloe vera. Aloe vera. Let's see what's going on here. I thought I saw Rebecca mention something about a cup of tea and burns. That is not good. Where are you? Where are you? Papa dump. Anyway, my cat got in the way and tripped me, and I spilled my tea and burnt my hand and had to hold him gently and put him down despite my hand burning. Oh, that's annoying. And make sure I burn myself and not my cat. Second time I haven't. Well, God, that's very annoying. Fair play to you, though, for taking the hit and saving your cat. That's a very noble thing to do. Cold water and tea. Someone is suggesting aloe vera, and I cannot recommend that enough. Aloe vera is unbelievable. Aloe vera. 14th July French Revolution. Request for any revolution song you have, please. Talking about revolution. This is my line. Talking about a revolution. Revolution song. Maybe it's a bit of a revolution song. Certainly this man was a revolution man. Oh, we can give it a go. After this I'll do another Jacobite song. And before I play this one, I want to say thank you again so much to everyone who is supporting us all this time through Thank Focus Thursday and Thank Focus Friday. And if you want to do so and continue doing so, you can tip us tonight with the Sholin tip jar, which is type it in here again for you to have it handy. paypal.me/Lynn. So, there you go. It's a revolution song, I think, James. Well, not a revolution song, it's certainly a revolution singer. Old pirates, yes, they rob I, so light to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We fought in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing
these songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Remember ourselves, can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Well, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them are gonna stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs, songs of freedom, songs of passion, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs.
Hope that one was all right for you, James. So next one I'll do is another Jacobite song from the Jacobite era. You'll probably know this one too. Shei molech mo yelamar, Shei mo Yisrael and soon Ashini wura sail, Vochoi Ginail Mar Shall our sim wide and have Anishim one trachatefrei Moheleik trau na don go train Devor na grok is unimigin She mulech mo yelamar She mo Israel lamar Soon as she ni waters hand Biam shibun nerburts kacho Equi gon crua sectur nenyor Asquilu en nam pachelbio
Snarif territorish goy moveron. She molech mo yelamar. She ma iser yelamar. Soon the sheni war us hand. Oh, again, Ilmar. Ni laurian kuch bevur kirno. Es ni gaut gwilt kiro. Na ma din hau ring mount of kyo. O dim shi wem bachel bio. She molech mo yelamar. She ma iser yelamar. Soon the sheni war us hand. Oh, again, Yelamar. Oh, again, Yelamar.
That's Muyilamar. So let's have a look and see now where we're going. Another one that I can go back to. Another kind of is Jacobite here, I think. See now, I have to get ahead and back on the old things here. All along the Watchtower. I'm not so sure I could do that one. Bluckini I very much could, Alan. Bluckini for sure. Let's see what's going on here. John Howard in hospital with pneumonia. John, I hope you get better soon. Godaga bishachart galua wak. Tasulam godaga bishachart galua. Good. I hope you get better soon. Let's see now. Let's see. Music is a good healer, all right. Bonnie Prince Charles, yeah. New World Jacobite, big fan of that. I'd love to have a sit down and have a chat with you about all this stuff. Very good. This next song, New World Jacobite might know this one too. It's a song. If you accidentally put chili sauce in your coffee, would you still drink it? Probably, to be honest. So this next one is a song called "The West's Awake," and I'm not 100% sure. It's a song that we sing in Connacht a lot, being in the west of Ireland. But I kind of feel like this is to do with either Cromwellian times or just about Connacht in general, really more than everything, going through everything and all the different battles that's come up. But it's a great song. The waltz, if anyone is interested. I mean, timing wise, it's not, you don't really dance a waltz to this one. You could. So I can't remember who requested The West's Awake, but it was honest to God about an hour ago. And
when all beside a vigil keep, the west's asleep, the west's asleep, lass and well, may and we, when Connacht lies in slumber deep, their lake and plain smile fair and free, mid rocks their guardian chivalry. Sing, oh, let man learn liberty from crashing winds, lashing sea. The chainless wave, lovely land, that freedom and nationhood demand. Be sure the great God that he never planned for slumbering slaves a home so grand. Long a brave and haughty race, honored and sentinel the place. Sing, oh, not even their sons disgrace, and quite destroy the glory's trace. For often in O'Connor's van, for triumph dashed each Connacht clan, as fleet as deer the Normans ran through Kerslave Pass, Nardrahan. And later times saw deeds as brave and glory guards Clanrickarde's grave. Sing, oh, they died their land to save at Aughrim slopes, Shannon's ways. And if one on vigil keep, the west's asleep, the west's asleep, lass and well, near and weep, that Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark a voice like thunder spake, the west's awake, oh, the west's awake. Sing, oh, let England quake, we'll fight till death for Ireland's sake. Westaway. Yeah, it refers there, he talking about for off the O'Connor's van to triumph dashed each Connacht clan, so talking about the Normans, and then in later times saw deeds as brave. This is talking about the Battle of Aughrim, which is all around 1690 time, the Jacobite Revolution. Well, sorry, I mean the original 1690 war. Jacobite Revolution was 1798, I suppose.
which was to do with Bonnie Prince Charles, as New World Jack White was pointing out earlier. But good song, great song. Fine memories. Whenever Roscommon win anything at all, that song is belted out for sure. The same with Galway and Mayo and Sligo and Leitrim. To be fair too, it's a Connacht song. It's a song that unites us. Someone's requesting She Burns. That's a good idea actually, considering what's after happened to Rebecca. So I like topical songs. Let's give that one a go. So. I was up in Belfast last week. Love Belfast, and this is a song by a Belfast singer. Sorry, know about this? Weird sound, is it?
She is a little explosion of hope. Never turns the lights down low, and she can go there if you want her though. There are no markings on her country roads, no signs that show the way back home, but when you get there you won't wanna go. I've frozen over my desires, covered up in virgin snow, but when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, salt, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, yeah, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing nerves. Melting, darling, and I can't let go. Melting, darling, and I can't let go. She likes to lay under the covers, oh, pretend that everywhere's our home, and keeps me warm right to my very soul. Get so tangled up it's hard to know what is hers and what's my own. Vines at the bottom of an olive grove. Oh, I've frozen over my desire. I'm covered up in virgin snow, but when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing nerves. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. frozen over my desires, covered up in virgin snow. But when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, soap, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning so deeply, just breathing her. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, and I can't let go. Hey, smiley face. From Belfast. Ah, Belfast. Beautiful, beautiful city. Great city. I love it. The song I just sang there, Kathleen, was called She Burns by Five Vance. And the one previous was called The West's Awake, traditional song. Hey, Helen, how are things? How you get on? Let's see now. There was a few different requests going through. I'll keep the burn thing going, and I'll do Bruce. In the meantime, if anyone out there is enjoying the show, this evening's entertainment, and you want to support us, Sholin, you can do so by either visiting our shop, sholin.com/shoppa. This one here. Where is it? Here. Sholin.com/shoppa. Or you can tip us on the tip jar, which is paypal.me/Sholin. So I can put that into the thing here as an easy quick link. paypal.me/Sholin. So she's in there now. The old triangle. And I can do that. And I come back to a bit of Bruce, because I have seen the old triangle pop up a couple of times. And she's a good one. Guitar again. Love of no reverb. La hungry feeling came o'er me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal to begin the morning. The screw was bawling, get up, up, you bowsy, and clean out your cell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. And the lags were sleeping. Hump Gussie was peeping as I lay there weeping for my gal Sal and the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Oh, the wind was rising, and the day declining. As a lady I'm praying my prison cell and the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. The female prison. There are 75 women, and it is amongst them that I wish I did dwell. In the old triangle, when jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal and the old triangle, when jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. I was 19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. Burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doors. I took a job in the steamy down on Colsham Street. I fell in love with a laundry girl who was working next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine that breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzag around her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind. Oh, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. busk around the market towns, we picked fruit down in Kent, and how we could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. She said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, with a fire burning in the hearth and babies on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. Well, you might be lord of half the world, but you'll not own me as well. Well, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild, but as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down the Gower one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for frost, but I thought maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch where, like a fool, I let her run with the rambling itch. Well, last I heard she's sleeping out back on Derby Beat, white horse in her hip pocket and a wolf hound at her feet. And they say she even married once, a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. And they say her flowers faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the bit the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, I wouldn't want her any other way. Wouldn't want her any other way. Count belam she a manish, trialer yachtach ni glam eschken to. Ach we gaan sitzen. Seku want to win me web. Skom maar tassam good to get to humerish. The woods are bare. Ten into lom sa wasteland me groei. En tasha khoshi blile hules na cream. Islam story. Oh, nu da hits in the looking shin na before hashitau. En for ik trust the one that only nile gafan nog dan. Go de valoch heen. Go de valoch heen. Is bekachrot. Ha! Shassan is gan more run strong. He want me see skus mishani smoother law. Fantastic chiefos. Dead to lum sound waste on the free. Tasha Khoshin Blilu who's the cream. Hey, Slama Stoiri. Oh, do that it's in the blockation. Nabi Burashatow. For a express the water lane. Ile Havanogon. Go er the Valoche. Go er the Valoche. It's big Achrod. You can't let go of my hand. 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 Let go of my hand. Don't do that. It's in the location. Nabi Burashatow. For a which master Vakterule. Kneeling up on the floor. Go in the Valoche. Go in the Valoche. It's big Achra.
I'll bet a crack. Let's see where we're at now with this comment. Yes, D. Carroll, what is the crack? How are you getting on? Oh, Jenny. I got a message, D, from Tony the other day. Very much missed you. So, there's only one thing I can do now. I hope you're loving your lockdown now, D. If anyone doesn't know D there, she's a good friend of ours from Lake Tari's Beach in Victoria in Australia. And they are just after hitting into some heavy lockdown there, which is not ideal, to be fair. So it's not good, really, is it? We have to make the most of it. Where's this thing here?
Caught in a trap and I can't walk out because I love it too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I say? We can't go on together on suspicious minds. We can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. An old friend I know drops by to say hello. Would I still see suspicion in your eyes? Well, here we go again, asking where I've been. You can see these tears are real, I'm crying. We can't go on together in suspicious minds. We can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. No, let our love survive. Dry the tears from your eyes. Let's don't let that good thing die. Well, honey, you know I'd never lie to you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We're caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, don't you know I was caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know it? Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say. Oh, baby, don't you know I was caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know it? Well, why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say. No, let our love survive. I'll dry the tears from your eyes. Just don't let that good thing die. When, honey, you know I'd never lie to you. You caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home, or did he go and leave you all alone? No, no. You got a bad desire. No, I'm on fire. Oh, now tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Does he do to you the things that I do? Oh, Lord, I can take you high. No, I'm on fire. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, at you and dull and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. And at night I lay in bed with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you can cool my desire. No, I'm on fire. Woo, woo. like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley to the middle of my skull. And at night I lay in bed with the sheets soaking wet, and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you can fool my desire. Low, I'm on fire. And oh, I'm on fire. And oh, I'm on fire. Oh, I'm on fire. Yes.
From a bit of Elvis into a bit of Bruce. TC, if you're listening there, Elvis was for you, buddy. That bloody fine Guinness that you sent me the picture of the other day. Oh God, I'd give anything to be in the tab with yourself and Dee, Elise. Just enjoying life. Enjoying life with good friends. On with a bit of wine there, like that. Michael Rojas, estoy de acuerdo, pienso que es la primera canción de Elvis. No, Elvis, de Bruce Springsteen. Es un canción muy bueno. Pero hay muchas canciones que me gustan también. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, and don't go to 6-inch valley to the middle of my school. Do you have any more requests there? Got through a few of them. We're not a million miles away from wrapping up now, I must say. But we'll see how we go. I know something shall say into Brighton. Viking blood. Ooh, doesn't sound good. I have a song actually I can do. A great song this. An old ballad. Lie must away now. Oh, I made it. I must away now. I can no longer tarry. This morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stumble into the arms I love the most. And when he came to his true love's dwelling, he knelt down gently
upon the stone, and through her window he whispered lowly, is it my true love within at home? Wake up, love. Well, it is thine own true lover. Wake up, love, and let me in. For I am tired, love, and oh so weary, and more than near drenched to the skin. She's raised her off her down soft pillow. She's raised her off and she's let him in, and they were locked in each other's arms. And when until that long night was past and gone, and when that long night was past and over, and when the small clouds began to grow, he's taken her hand, and they kissed and parted. And he saddled and mounted and away to go. Well, I must away now. I can no longer tarry. This morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stumble into the arms I love the most, into the arms I love the most. Not a good song. Not a good one. Thanks so much, Barbie. Good to hear from you, actually, Barbie. It's probably getting to be, it's still probably very, very early in the morning over there. There's a request in here. Oh, Tennessee Whiskey, what a song. I don't know if I could do that one. I have to go over that one. No, I'd for sure have to go over that one. There's a lot going on in that one. Used to spend my nights in the ballroom, liquor was the only love I'd ever known. but you rescued me from reaching out the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. It was smooth as Tennessee whiskey, sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stayed stoned on your love all the time. And I won't take it any further because I don't really know it, but I'll give it a go. Eilish Cody, I'll give that one a go, right? I'll have a little crack at that over the week and see how we go, because I do love that song, but I've never actually sat down to learn it, you know. S'il vous plaît, mon soeur, voilà push ein elle is a hell. Sunday Morning Coming Down, The Contender, What About a Rise, Summer Dublin if you want, or For Crying Out Loud, and a song that would be Lionhearts with Eagles. Merci beaucoup, mon soeur. I can do Sunday Morning Come Down. Very late today, Stefan. Late dash out of Melbourne before lockdown. Oh, did you get out in time? I hope you did. That would not be nice to be stuck there. You'd much rather be off in Lake Tyers Beach, wouldn't you? Never Tears Apart. D, I did that one earlier. I should always leave that one a little bit later, actually, because case for the Aussies. Any more for the sake of old Connacht. That's one in case you missed it. Cranberries. Oh, Cranberries are from Morrison. Okay, so we have Sunday Morning Coming Down. I'll do that right now. That's a request in from James Hayes. Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no weight on my head. It didn't hurt. And the beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. Well, I fumbled through my closet for my clothes and found my cleanest dirty shirt, and I'm wearing it. And I shaved my face and combed my hair, and I fumbled down the stairs to meet the day. I'd smoked my brain the night before on cigarettes and songs that I was picking. And the beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad. Oh no. That was. Why did I mess that now? That's annoying. I'm after losing the whole song in my head now. That's one. My face will come here. Oh my god, I can't. It's just gone. Sorry, lads. That's so annoying. Oh Lord. Oh. I'd smoked my brain the night before. Cigarettes and songs that I was picking. And I lit my first, and I watched the small kid cursing at the can that he was kicking. I walked across the street and caught the Sunday smell of someone frying chicken. And it took me back to something that I lost somewhere, somehow along the way. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned, for there's something in this Sunday makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying that's half as lonesome as the sound of a sleeping city sidewalk on Sunday morning coming down. Park I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl that he was swinging. And I stopped outside the Sunday school and I listened to the songs that they were singing. And I headed back for home. And somewhere far away, a lonely bell was ringing. Well, then it took me back to something that I lost somewhere, somehow along the way. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was sown, for there's something in the Sunday makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying that's half as lonesome as the sound of a sleeping city sidewalk. A Sunday morning coming down. A Sunday morning coming down. A Sunday morning coming down. Sunday morning coming down. I'm just a poor boy, my story is seldom told. I have squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear, and he disregards the rest. I left my home and family, I was no more than a boy, in the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared, laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the rugged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Lie, 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 lie. Asking only workmen's wages, I go looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just to come on from the whores down 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times I was so lonesome that I took some comfort there. Still I'm laying out my winter clothes and wishing I was gone, going home. Till the New York City winters aren't bleeding me, going home. Lie, 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 lie. La 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 la. In the clearance stands a boxer and a fighter by his trade, and he carries the reminders of every glove that laid him down or cut him till he cries out in his anger and his shame, I am leaving, but the fighter still remains. La 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 la. Not sure that song is supposed to have that note at the end, but sure. When in Rome. Let's have a look and see now what's going on. Oh, a bit of Cranberries or Van Morrison was requested. Let's see. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what we got. Cranberries. Let's try and get the right key now. Was the next thing. Another head hangs slowly, a child is slowly taken. Another head hangs slowly, child is slowly taken. The violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. In your head, Another mother's breaking heart is taking over. The violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, 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 oh. Right. That second key was definitely better than the first key. But look, it's worth a go. Look, I'm here to just try things out. If they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. Let's see now what else we got here. Genie, we have a lot going on here. He lives in you. Tapalater Sunshin. False Ruth. False Ruth, Castle Bay. What was the song? The song was requested there a second ago. Oh, He Lives in You. I never actually learned it. I could probably get it. Maybe here. There's a voice. Okay, right, I'll give it a crack. Spirit of a child asking a help. Night and the oh no. No, that's the wrong chords, I don't think. Yeah, they don't seem right. Cold night. Yeah, we go. Night and the spirit of life calling me. Mambela and a voice with the fear of a child answers a Mambela. Wait, there's no mountain too great. Hear these words and have faith. Oh, have faith. Have faith. Oh, where am I off now? Oh, this is way off. He lives in. Watching over. He lives in you.
No, I'm in the wrong key.
It's in me. He watches over everything we see. Into the water, into the truth. In your reflection, He lives in you. Night and the spirit of life calling, oh, hey, oh, umbela, oh, hey, oh. And the voice with the fear of a child answers, oh, hey, oh, umbela, oh, hey, oh. Wait, there's no mountain too great. Hear these words and have faith. Oh, have faith. Better, umbera, mera, umbalera, hera, umbalera. He lives in you. He lives in me. He's watching over everything we see. Into the water, into the truth. In your reflection, He lives in you. He lives in you. He lives in me. He's watching over everything He sees. Into the water, into the truth. In your reflection, He lives in you. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, yeah. Sábado na balada, a galera começou a dançar. E dançou a menina mais linda. Tomei coragem e comecei a falar. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, yeah!
I saw people mention Michel Tello. So. Hay muchos brasileños. How do you say it? I'm not sure. Hoy concordo con vos. I'm not sure. Yo concordo. What's it? Con, that's like con. Something with voice. Something. To drink some water or what? Oh, watching over everything you see. Yeah. Thank you very much, Sherry. I got some water there. All creatures, great and small. Good old. Right. I don't have too much longer left, my friends. If you do want to support, um, the it's definitely not pure vodka. I can tell you that much. But if you do want to support us, you can do so by tipping at the tip jar. PayPal.me/Charlotte. I'll put the link up there again, and if you fancy it, you can tip. But there's no pressure. There never is. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. I'll I'll have a look and see. I'm just going back through some of the comments here to see if there was any other requests or anything in. Jared Francis Hughes, the boxer. Yeah, it's a great song. I do love that one. Have listened to Mr. Christopherson. Thank you very much, James. I'd be a fan of the old Chris Christopherson version myself. Let's see now if there's anything else going on. You wanted, let's see. All right. Low misty eye of the mountain below, and keep careful watch over my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over Durin Sons. And if this were to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, hold, stand by, and we will watch the flames burn, oh, burn on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn, oh, burn on the mountainside. And desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. See fire hollowing souls. See fire, blood on the breeze. And I hope that you'll remember me. Oh, should my people fall, and surely I'll do the same. Confined in mountain halls, up too close to the flame,
calling out, Father, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn low, burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees. I see fire hollowing souls. I see fire blood on the breeze. And I hope that you'll remember me. The night is burning, cover my eyes. The dark returns then, my brothers alive. And if the sky is falling down, we crashed into this lonely town. Oh my God. And I, with the shadow upon the ground, I hear my people screaming now. Now I see fire inside the mountains, and I see fire burning the trees. I see fire hollowing souls. See fire blood on the breeze. I see fire. Oh, you know I see a city burning. No, I see fire. Feel the heat upon my skin. No, I see fire. See fire burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. I see fire burn open on the mountainside.
I don't know about that now either. I don't know that. I have to learn that. I can learn that, I think. But yeah, no, that's true with that one. Now I just saw Rebecca putting in the request and saying she has to bully me into doing it, so I said I'd succumb to peer pressure on that one. But I need to do a bit of practice on that one, alright? So don't go judging off that. I'll learn the guitar bit as well. What about her eyes? Her eyes, they shine like diamonds. Hard shot lump will air. I didn't do these things. Isle of Bar and the Hebrides. Castle Bay up from the Isle of Bar and the Hebrides. Have to go up there sometime. I believe that they do a crossover course for Irish language speakers and Gaelic speakers to kind of learn, which I would love to do. Alan Kelly, you are right. It is getting time for the parting glass. I will finish up, I think, now. Barbie, I actually already did the West Awake Barbie a little bit earlier. So I'll try to leave that one a bit later for you next time. the Aussies, I keep forgetting. The Aussies will be up are up a little bit. It's a bit early for the Aussies, alright. But thanks so much to everybody out there for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it, and we appreciate all the support. Myself and the lads, we really, really appreciate all the support that you constantly give us. I'll put up the tip jar one last time before I finish up with the parting glass. But next week will be the last one for a few weeks. Unfortunately, well, as in it's not unfortunate for me because I'm getting married, so I'm gonna take a couple of weeks off, if that's all right. So I have to, otherwise I might not be married too long. But yeah. So next week will be the last one for a little while. We'll have all the lads in, so do please tune in next week, and we'll take a couple of weeks off and be back then in the end of August. We'll might do a few of the Irish Fest special maybe or something, because of the Irish Fest that'll be on at the time. We wish we could be over there, but not to be. We'll be back next year, hopefully. Danica, hope my wedding day. Yeah, no, yeah, we're very excited about it now. We were down getting a few bits and pieces sorted out during the week and tying up loose ends and stuff. There's always stuff to be doing, I suppose, with it. It's a lot of effort, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. But anyway, thank you so much for all the good wishes there. So what I'm gonna do is I'll finish up with the parting glass, and I'll be talking to you next week. Next week will be the last one for a while. So what day was it today? Today's the 15th, so it'll be the 22nd. 22nd of thing. Yeah, that'll be it. Anyways, guys, gur míle míle maith creacht na man seo leis an parting glass. The parting glass. I'll leave you with the parting glass, as they say. I'll have a look at a few of the songs that came in. Thanks so much for all the requests. It was great to be able to get to do a lot of requests this time around. I really enjoyed it, trying it out, and hopefully didn't make a hames of too many of them. as when you do stuff in the last minute and with no practice, that's usually what happens with me anyway. But I'll it's good though. It's good to keep yourself on your feet and to not be afraid of stuff like that. So plenty more where that came from. So last one. Thank you so much again, everybody. Have a great night. Love all the money that e'er I had. Well, I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. For all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And if I had money enough to spend, and leisure time to sit a while, there is the fair maid in this town, and she surely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And of all the comrades that e'er I had, they are sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise, you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night and joy
be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all.
Good night and joy be with you all. Achon Ichwa agus banigi tanef as a good elegant gun tachten agus fekim ship. Slán slán.